Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to install threads from Instagram or Meta on your phone and how you can create an account on threads. So this is the new concept from Instagram. So you need to open Play Store and search as threads and you'll find this icon. Tap on this and here you'll find the developer Instagram. So you need to click on install. Once you click on install, click on open and see here I already have this Instagram installed on my computer, so I'm using Instagram. And this threads app just fetched that username from this Instagram app. So all that I need to click is just click on forward this symbol. I can write the bio and add a link, but I can import from Instagram also. Both the things I'm not doing now. I'm just clicking on this forward. So here are the privacy settings, means you can choose whether you can keep the profile public or you can make it as private. So that is absolutely your choice. Anyone on or off threads can see, share and interact with your content. So if it is your public account, anyone can interact, just the same like Instagram public account. Anyone can see our posts or reels or something like that. Here anyone can uh, communicate through the threads what we post. Okay, it's absolutely your choice. After that, click on continue. So it is asking for the recommendations of follow. You can click on forward. See here, it's giving a short introduction to the thread, something like these threads are powered by Instagram. So yes, join threads. So if you have already Instagram account on your phone, it will directly fetch. If at all, if you don't have, you need to sign up. That is this simple. And see here, this is the home page interface. I am also viewing this home page for the first time, and this is, yeah, this is the interface of the app. Yes. So these are all the threads posted by someone. So threads app is showing this as the feed, and this is the option where we can post our first thread in the sense a small topic to start a discussion. For example, you may start a discussion about your own interesting topic, like for example, if I have much knowledge on cricket, a sport, I can comment who is going to win the upcoming World Cup this year, something like that. Means you may start a thread to discuss with on environment, about studies, about the future evolutions in the technology, something like that. Who is going to win, something like that, win World Cup this year, something like that. And you can click on this post and see here, as I created my account as public, anyone can reply to this thread and they can have the communication. So I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.